Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're checking out what we consider to be the best car trash bins you can get right now. The HOTOR cart trash can with lid. And this one comes in a super convenient 2-pack. Whether you're someone who practically lives out of your car or just want to keep your ride looking neat, this little gadget is an absolute game changer. Let's dive right in. First off, the size of these bins is perfect for a car interior. Each one measures 8.1 by 3.6 by 3.6 inches, which means it can easily sit in your cup holder, slide into the side pocket of your door, or even hang from the seat back. And despite the compact design, these things are surprisingly functional. You're not just getting a trash bin. You're getting a multi-purpose organizer that you can even use at home or in the office. It's sleek, it's subtle, and it just works wherever you place it. Now one of the best features of this HOTOR trash can is the lid. It's got a press top, flip-style design that's ridiculously easy to use. Just give it a gentle push and it flips open. Then it snaps right back into place on its own, locking in any trash or odors. That auto shut-off feature is more useful than you'd think, especially if you've ever had lingering food smells in your car. It really helps keep the air fresh and clean inside the vehicle. Let's talk materials. The can is made from high-quality ABS plastic, which gives it a solid, sturdy feel. You can tell it's built to last. It's not flimsy, it's not going to crack if it takes a hit or two. The interior is super smooth, and that makes it really easy to clean. Just pop off the lid, rinse everything out, give it a quick wipe, and you're good to go. Plus, it's leak-proof. So even if you toss in a half-finished drink or something a little messy, it's not going to seep through. But HOTOR didn't stop there. Each can comes with 15 trash bags, so that's 30 in total with the 2-pack. These bags are custom-fitted, strong, and easy to replace. It takes literally seconds to pull out a full one and drop in a fresh bag. If you're constantly dealing with receipts, snack wrappers, tissues, or even just daily use waste, this setup makes it all effortless. And we've got to talk about the look. It's got a diamond patterned design that actually makes it kind of stylish. It doesn't look like a trash bin, and that's the beauty of it. Whether it's sitting in your car, your desk, or even on your kitchen counter, it looks like a neat little container with a premium feel. It's a nice bonus that it fits in visually with just about any interior, especially in the sleek black color. What really seals the deal for us is the fact that you're getting 2 of these in one package. That means you can have one in the front and one in the back, or keep one in the car and use the other at your workstation or home office. It's just smart design and practical value rolled into one. So if you're tired of clutter, tired of those random plastic bags, or coffee cups rolling around your floor mats, the HOTOR cart trash can is the solution you didn't know you needed. It's compact, leak-proof, easy to use, and just straight-up useful. Definitely a product that earns its spot on our list of must-have car accessories. That's it for today's review. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique. For more deep dives into the best tools, gadgets, and gear to make your life a little easier. Catch you in the next one.